Good day, everyone. Learn how to find hidden files in Android system taking up storage, and it will be a step-by-step tutorial. So firstly, open the Play Store and type files by Google. So we will type files by Google and you will find 8 million reviews, 5 billion downloads, and then we need to click on open. Once you do that, click on this three parallel lines and then click on clean. And then you'll find your storage, junk files, delete duplicates, delete old screenshots, and other things. Firstly, we will click on clean and this will clear the temporary app files. Once it is done, it has freed up 1.4 GB of data. Then go to the trash section. Now my trash is clear. In your case, you might have the trash in your. Go to the settings. And here, if you want to make any changes, show hidden files. Show files that are used to run Android and apps. So you can select show hidden files. And then come back here and you will find downloads, images, videos, audio. So you can go to the section by section and delete by sorting up the data. Like you can go to the top three dots and click on sort by. Now you can sort the files and delete the files which you do not need it. The next thing which you can do, you can go to the internal storage and then DCIM and look for thumbnail. Basically, it is there in the camera, and then you can delete these folders because these are the folders which takes a lot of space in GBs. So you can also try that. Once it is done, you can simply restart your phone and make sure you check these categories: videos, audios, documents, apps. All right. So this is how you can free up space and delete hidden files which is taking up space in your Android phone. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.